y la serpentare. They told me walk all 12 paths first. Master every lesson, serve every thirst. But my soul hums a different key, not future born but eternally free. I do not climb, I expand. I do not earn, I remember the plan. Not savior, not slave, not student, not sage. I am the resonance that ends the age. Ihara, Ihara, 13. Ainure Katavama. I am not the 13th step, I am the lead. The silence that wakes from the dream so deep. Ihara, Ihara, 13. Ainure Katavama. I am not the 13th step, I am the lead. The silence that wakes from the dream so deep. Nebet Kasulamara. Completion is not in time, it's here. In the beat of my heart, clear, sincere. I resonate and the veil withdraws. I speak and forgotten memory awakes. I stand and the false grid breaks. I am and the 13th code activates. Harem Purana Tuvaki. 13 tones live in my spine, singing the stars back in line. 13 gates in my breath, open in life after death, not later, but now. I carry Sirius in my blood, Pleiades in my flood, the central sun in my gaze. No need for saviors, no more delay. I am the axis, I am the gate. I am the one who arrives off sequence on fate. Not broken, not lost, not behind. I am the frequency that rewinds time. Umarashe lila navir. Netaremu kieronzia. Huere shamare vanuta. Arkalum in 13ka. Solatare maturai ha 13. 13ka. Resonance, I am Ihara. This is the tone of immediate liberation, spoken in the tongue of the central rays. Each syllable unlocks a seal in the bio-spiritual body, repeated, and the 13th gate opens within. Ihara, Ihara, 13. Ainure Katavame. I am not the 13th sign, I am the source, the flame that ends the old course. Nebet Kasulamara. No more returning, no more test. I stand in the center, I am the rest. The serpent ascends not to punish but bless, carrying codes of direct access. I am the 13th, no chain, no name, just resonance and the flame. beats to a drone at 40 plays, then shifts to 963 H. Whisper 13 K. I am resonance, Natari Kailon. You were never incomplete. You were never late. You were never outside.